Hi, my name is Julia. I'm calling so that I can try and get an appointment. Apparently, since I'm not hanging out with my roommate anymore, and instead I'm focusing on my academics and training with my team, that means that I'm being antisocial. I went home for winter break, and my mother kept bothering me about how much I've been exercising and about my weight. Then I went back to school. My roommate complained to my mother because I wasn't hanging out with her anymore or having meals with her. I added extra workouts and started watching what I eat as to drop the freshman 15 that I gained. And now I feel so much better. My run times have improved. My GPA is a 3.6. I must maintain both my GPA and my place on the team, cross-country team, as in order to keep my scholarship, because it's both academically and athletically built in. Anyway, if you could just get back to me so that we can get something set up and get this evaluation completed so I can get this crossed off, that would be great. Thanks.